Come. Where are you guys? Oh my god!
Surprise, motherfucker!
I don't think that I can get over all of my problems. I've been thinking, who the fuck am I to disagree? I heard I'm pretty dope, so I guess I got to oblige inside. I've been plotting on the way that we could elevate. I massacre the track of your skill, I never hesitate. I put a lot of time into the craft to make it resonate. I regulate with repetition, I could be the greatest, but ever me illogical, the other have a later. Practice all the patience that I got in my attendant mind. I minimize the ignorance, so in a minute I make it relatable. Evade the negativity at all costs. Trying to find my way, I'm feeling so lost. Find me in the zone, I gotta focus. But that can be an issue, I'm addicted to the work. It's all I ever wanna do, pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for and need more than pity. Many minuscule opinions picking apart the immaculate, happily apathetic and naturally authentic. The sentence is sentimental, like the words are just a piece of my soul. I transcend into the artist that I wanna be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences. The killer really invested in this, and anyone that wants the truth that we present to be identified. I live a meager life. I'm motivated by progression. Cause a year ago nobody paid attention to the getting. I'm persistent with the effort. Document my declaration. Dedicated to the devil. Me definitely concerned that I prefer to be the purest. To purchase all of the verses on the way to get it off of my chest. Oh Lord, if it's a problem, I solve it privately. Polish them off. I punish with powerful poems. Compose a noble creation. Case in point, I'm steadily proving in a lucid dream. I used to be infatuated. Now it's just reality. I'm managing my temperament. My time to capitalize is infinite. The wisdom I'm attaining from trying to never this priceless. I promise I won't put in the music before my sanity. Send you a lullaby with alliteration and empathy. The lack of recognition is starting to kill my energy. You know you made it when you receiving hate from an enemy. Your relevance was never an option. Here's a synopsis. Said I'm knocking out whoever you considering the king. I kick him off the throne. I want it. I'ma take it as my property and properly prepare to go to war with any challenge. Battling coliseums. People cheer for me to finish it. Reminiscing of the legends that left remarkable legacies. I said it. I'm ahead of my time. I am. You could never understand the headspace I'm in. Living around in a ballad. Giving a lyrical ballad. Working to find the balance. Dealing with every challenge. But it's a struggle. Meticulously adjusting my train of thought to be positive. Transform to a phoenix. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest nigga. Don't ever forget it. Knowledge. Order.
You stand alone.
Cold said it, nigga, I'm an artifact. Your heart attack, but that don't mean that you living. Harsh reality's given, put it all in a sentence. Going hard, push your limits. I really do this, I'm fluent with it. Right now it's second nature. I'm just plotting quietly, designing more than what I am currently. Not the currency, speak a peace of mind. Do you understand my lingo? Bingo, comprende, I'm not materialistic. My vision is seeping in, I see it like seeing in. It's hard to describe it, I only view it in colors. No other choice but to move on. Allow me to walk by, I swear it's a short life. My time I will spend it wise, revise when I wanted, as if I felt it was needed. Never try to intrude, I'm just trying to improve. I want this more than anything, so all the shit that I lose, I wasn't meant to have it anyway. Not sad to see it go away, I'm holding out for brighter days. I'm quite amazed at the turn that my life has made. Look, I went from manual labor to lacing tracks with the truth. I gave you nothing but love, even the moments of hate. No pessimism involved, it's positive energy, boy. I send my praise to the Most High, then the blessings receive. Shit, I'm grateful for life, I'm content to just be. I feel mentally free, no longer chained like the weak. Yes, loud. All my niggas get hard, and all my niggas get hard. Look, a truth teller's all I ever been. And lately, nigga, I've been feeling like a veteran. Long list of other motherfuckers that I'm better than. Never say a name though, not that ain't my angle. Ain't no place I can't go. Headed to the top, they trying to hold me down like an anchor. The fuck you thinking? I ain't saying I survive. My mind is like a genius and a poet all at once. I dispose of foes opposing with the power of the sun. I guess it done like lithium. The ninja beat, that shit was fun. I repeat, we shall defeat the evils. Fuck away from us. Nothing you can say to us. Did this shit all by ourselves with no help. So my apologies if I'm not amused. But what I do is not for the faint of heart. You're easily consumed by lies and deceit. I'm not deterrable, rejecting defeat. Look, Let me display my talent for you to judge and critique. Tell me I'm not unique, then place me on the pedestal to sweep me off my feet. I realize what I have, my gift of gab is amazing. I fade away with the cadence, that's why I leave it for now. The real approach in a second. Hope my message of kindness has been the kindest reminder. Let me proceed with the neck with the game of it so separately loud.
Niggas get hard of this, I know my niggas get hard of this. One dog, all my niggas get hard of this, I know my niggas get hard of this. All my niggas get hard of this, I know my niggas get hard.